my brain is already like, ooh, what if I change into different colors? What's gonna look like this one? And I'm gonna do this. See, I drop everything. All right, so before I'm curing these nails, I did apply quite some of the precision glue. I feel some scratchy on between the crystals. I feel it in, just a little squeeze in. You don't need a whole lot. And then now I'm gonna blend it so then that way it's not looks lumpy and bumpy after we cure. All right, cure for 60 seconds these nails. Let's move on to the next nails. This nail need to be like a more because we need to check with all that chains right here to make sure. But I coat the chains with the top coat already, so it's really good and secure. It's prevent from tarnish. It's just so awesome. That was a live vest chain. It's like it's getting protected from tarnish. And I'm gonna check. If you feel scratchy, you're going to squeeze just a little bit. And I'm showing here, that's how much you need. You don't need a whole lot. Just little bottles. You get one, it's go a long way. You can find this from our official website or from Amazon. If you are like having a Prime member, you can get in 2 days as well. Also with us, it's shipping in 2 days as well. Well, we ship in within 1 business day. So you to make sure you can get your products on hand so fast. So I'm gonna do it on the side and then wipe it off. Great. So I am going to cure this for 60 seconds. Oh, nice. I'm so glad you like it, Nuna. It's your favorite nails, right? This one is super cute. It's really like vibrant. It looks so natural look. I agree with you. But I'm gonna try to, but think about this. If you change this to the white background, I just wanna try different background and see how it turn out. Seeing that how it changed so much from a different background for the nails. And do not afraid of to try it because you don't know until you don't know until you do it and try it. Like this, if I would do the white one, it will stand out really well as well. Super cute. I think the white will look, no, black looks good. You think? Because the black was showing the weaver gels really well as well. Okay, now my brain is start like spinning because I'm like curious about if someone tried black background or white background. I would love to see your beautiful pictures. We would love to sharing it. Just please tag us so then we get opportunity to feature your beautiful work. All right, great. So hold on, I think great, hold on. Here for 60 seconds. Oh, is this the last nail? All right. I'm gonna seal it in here. I'm gonna seal it on the top of that beads because to prevent from tarnish. Where does beads come from? It might falling into mine. Aha, I thought my lamb is dead. You want to hear the story? I don't know if you remember back in February when I was in New York City. doing classes in Fashion Week in New York, and I said, oh, I'm so excited, I'm going live. Guess what? I totally forgot my lamp, and I got black light with me. And no, it's like, but hey, it still transfers so well with the premium transfer foil. I'm not suggesting you using a black light sticker here, but emergency, it works. It means it's just fun message for the day. It's fun and positive day. Just doesn't matter what happen. You try the best of, you know, situations and make the best out of it. And I did finish that live video on that cities in New York City for everyone. It was so fun. Vicky laughed at me because I said, Vicky. And then she went and get breakfast. And I said, okay, Vicky, I'm going to do live. And then when you get breakfast for us here, then I'll be done. But then she come back and she called me because she forgot her key rooms. And of course, she called me when I was live. I can't pick up the phone. So she's trying to go down and get the... I think it's the keys open. And I said, Vicky, come. I don't have the lamp. I said, oh my glories, how do you key? I said, the black lights. I don't know why I have. Oh, I have a travel for my back travel with the black lights. I don't know why. I think it's from my travel tool that I'm always doing it with the trick shows. I always have the black light to show the glow in the dark and then the neon colors. So that's why I have it. And it here. It's amazing. Oh, you never think you're gonna be in your life and your lamp is. So now when I heard the lamp it doesn't work, it's like beep beep, I said it's okay. It's not gonna be the end of the world. If it does, I have black lights. Well, in fact, I have a lot of other LED lamps surround me. It just that happened that if I'm running around when I do live videos, but I have a black light somewhere next to me here.